Hey everyone, it's JoJo and welcome to a Beyblade Burst battle. Today we have VISE Leopard versus Revive Phoenix. Will the jaws of VISE Leopard be able to penetrate Revive Phoenix's armor? We'll just have to see. First to 5 will be the winner. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! That was weird. I think the lift driver made it scrape and it just threw itself out of the stadium. Wow, that is not good for the lift driver or for VISE Leopard. So 1 point to Revive Phoenix. So what I think I'm gonna do is switch the mode on VISE Leopard. It doesn't seem like this side is good for anything at all. It's just scraping. So it's on like the thinner side of the frame. So let's try that in the second round. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, VISE Leopard actually lasted a little bit longer, but it was not enough against Revive Phoenix. 1 more point for the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go. A little bit of scraping for VISE Leopard, but it's still on its feet. Oh, and there goes the armor, just fell out of the stadium. Let's see how Revive Phoenix does without its armor. And it still holds up. That is 3 in a row for Revive Phoenix now. 3, 2, 1, go. And again, we might get a sweep in this battle. 4-0 in favor of Revive Phoenix. 3, 2, 1, go. Nice attack in the beginning. Oh, and there goes the armor. This is the last chance for VISE Leopard, and it did not do so well. That is a shame. Your winner is Revive Phoenix. And let's do this again. Let's switch up the parts. Let's see how Revive Phoenix does with an attack type combo. And we've seen how well VISE Leopard is with a defense type. Alright, so on to the next set of battles. 3, 2, 1, go. Goes the armor, just went out of the stadium. Looks like Revive Phoenix is slowing down. Oh, wow, Revive Phoenix still wins by a spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! A stadium outs or an over finish. A point to VISE Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I'm giving that one to VISE Leopard. So it's 2-1. 3, 2, 1, go. And Revive Phoenix outlasts VISE Leopard this time. So it's 2-2. 3, 2, 1, go. Instant KO after just one hit. A point to VISE Leopard. 3, 2, 1, go. Now it is 4-2. VISE Leopard only needs one more point to win. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, Revive Phoenix is not going down without a fight. 3, 2, 1, go. Another instant KO. So the score is all tied up. Right, this is for the win. 3, 2, 1, go. And your winner is VISE Leopard. Alright, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed. And stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys soon.